everyone. I hope you're all keeping yourself safe and healthy. I'm sharing this video so that it might be helpful for those who are exposed to the symptoms of COVID-19. Yeah, I'm going to give you a quick steps to follow in testing coronavirus at your home itself using this rapid antigen test. Mylab Discovery Solutions company, which is located in Maharashtra, India, had recently launched this rapid antigen test. And this company got its approval from ICMR. And so, you can expect this home test kit very soon out in the market. First, I'll tell you about the contents in the kit. There will be a pre-filled extraction tube, sterile nasal swab, test card, biohazard bag, and instruction for use. Before testing, you must wash your hands properly and make sure that they are dry before starting the test procedure. And then tie the pouch and keep the individual components ready for testing. Now let me tell you how to use it with 5 simple steps. Step 1. You have to take the pre-filled extraction tube out from the pouch and make sure that the extraction settles at the bottom of the tube. Unscrew the cap and hold the tube in your hand. Step 2. Take the sterile nasal swab in your hand. Take it out by touching only by its tail end and make sure you should not touch its head. Now insert the head of the swab up to 2 to 4 cm inside your nostril. Roll the swab 5 times inside the nostril to ensure that cells are collected. And repeat the same process into your another nostril. Now withdraw the swab carefully from the nasal cavity. Step 3. Dip the swab into the pre-filled extraction tube and swirl the nasal swab 10 times, ensuring the swab is immersed well in the extraction tube. Step 4. Now break the swab at its break point and discard the remainder of the swab. Mix it well, cover the tube with attached nozzle cap and tighten the lid. Step 5. As soon as opening the lid, you must add 2 drops of mixture into the test card. And now you have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes in order to see your result. You may notice 2 lines in the test card, that is C for control line and T stands for test line. If only the control line appears, then your corona test is negative. But if both control and test line appear, then your result will be positive. And finally, you have to dispose all the components by packing inside the biohazard bag that is provided along with the kit. The price of this rapid antigen test is rupees 250. As I said earlier, it will be available from next week in the market. Do follow these 5 simple steps with utmost care in your home. If your result is positive, it indicates the presence of coronavirus in your sample. So, it is important to be under the care of healthcare provider. You should be placed in isolation to avoid spreading the virus to others. Your healthcare provider will work with you to determine how best to care for you based on your test result along with your medical history and your symptoms. Sending you lots of love and prayers for your speed recovery from COVID-19. Thank you.